it was the last thing for me. I already lost a hope. I'm actually feeling top of the world at the moment. All because of you. All because of your hard work, your support. You always been there. In my words, like it's great. It's top of the world. I would say.
Many, many congratulations once again to our Melbourne student. Her name is Rajbir. So, congratulations, Rajbir, for your desired band score in PTE.
Thank you so much, Smiley. It happened all because of you. Um, it's it's been great. Since I joined your classes, you always been great support to me. It was the last thing for me. I already lost a hope.
So your smile is
It
telling.
feels great.
Your
It feels
smile.
really great.
Uh, I can see your smile and your face
Yeah,
expressions. How much happy you are after getting this score. So yes,
you know,
express.
I'm actually feeling top of the world at the moment. It really all because of you. It all because of your hard work, your support. You always been there whenever I needed, and you always supported me throughout my journey of doing to achieve these scores. And I'm really thankful, and I'm thankful to my brother who actually told me about you and your classes and everything. And it's been great. It's really been great.
Yeah, your brother referred you.
Yeah, he referred me. He told me about you. I think he was your student as well.
Yes, he was also my
He
student and he
told me.
also got
Yeah.
very good score. Yes, I still remember he got
Yes.
something
Yeah.
70s or 80s plus in PT. Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, Rajbir, I will read out your score. Speaking is 90, a wow score, 9 band score, listening 8, and reading 7.5, and writing is 70. So, very good score. And because your requirement was only 7 and you got 7, so happy. Many, many congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now finally you are eligible to apply your PR in Australia, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So Rajbir, could you tell us how successful was your journey with us?
As I said, it's always been great. You are a great sport and a great teacher as well. Um, you know the knowledge, you know what you're doing. And you always been there. You've been really supported throughout my journey. Whenever I need you, and whenever there was some time when I have to go off the classes and stuff, you always supported me there. And you always been great. And the stuff you provide, the way you teach, it's great. I can't express that in my words. It's great. It's top of the world, I would say.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your kind words. And in our classes, what actually was the thing that helps you and that you find that is different from the others, which you like the most?
I found it it's just such a good way. Your classes are programmed, you don't have big classes. You do it in small groups where everyone got an opportunity to express themselves. And everyone's been get a feedback and all those things, whichever required. And the timings has been great. We will still be working and doing study at the same time. So it's always been great, all those stuff. It was really good.
Okay, so we provide, yes, flexible timings, as she said. Timings will be given as per the availability of the student, and the classes, the small group sessions, 1 to 1 or 2 or 3 groups in the session. It can be adjusted as per the student's availability. And the most important thing is, I think, the feedback sessions which we provide to the students that actually help the students to figure out actually where they are going wrong. Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. So, any feedback you want to give to the future aspirants of IELTS or PT?
I would recommend all those students out there just go and reach you wherever they can. And get it's a good opportunity when you got a good teacher out there and help you in every way to achieve your desired scores. And it's like my journey. It's been 14 years since I've been here. this is the second time I achieved the 7H after so many years, and I wasn't even hoping that I would get it this time, and I was said to myself, this is gonna be my last test. I'm not sitting for another one,
Yeah.
and I've got it what I wanted and what my requirements are, and it's all because of you, Smiley, and your teaching and your support. Like it's all because of you.
Thank you. It was a mutual effort. You have practiced. Even still remember a few days back, you told me I am not well, and I was just worried. Like, I don't know why you are not taking the classes and your exam was approaching, right? Still, somehow,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Even I was still scared when I was opening my report card, like to see what I've got. But when everything gone out of the drain, like once seen my scores, and it's great.
Mm. And apart from that, on the top of that, after getting the score, Rajbir has sent me. She asked me, Smiley, just tell me what is my score. Have is my condition cleared or not? Like I
Yeah,
told,
I wasn't like, as I said, it's been so many years, and I can't even I wasn't like, I was shocked there for a moment, and I can't even decided whether I've got the actual report card, is it right or wrong. I can't even decide in between, and then I said I better check with you, like, is it right, whether it's like it's actually what I'm seeing or what I'm looking at, or it
okay,
just like happened all at once.
okay, ji, okay. So finally, you got your scorecard and be ready to get the PR. Yes. So
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I wish you a good luck so that you can get everything you desire in your life. Wish you a very, very
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
thank you so
And
much.
it's always been great with you as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank